I'm gonna describe one aspect of the trip. So a brief background about the trip. The Harvard Philippine Forum. This is really our flagship. This is our flagship experience as a club. Every year, every January, we bring Harvard students here to the Philippines. But previously, it's been to just one or two service organizations here sa Pilipinas. In 2020, it was in Bohol. And they just stayed in that area. But this year really wanted to make it more comprehensive and really, fulfill the three pillars of Harvard Philippine Forum, which is education, service, and culture. With regard to culture, what we know about culture in the US is the more well-known aspects of Filipino culture, the food, telenovelas, how Filipinos are such good singers and dancers, but that's the case, then maybe I'm not Filipino. But we were hoping to explore the deeper, the more subtle aspects of Filipino culture. For instance, how faith and religion intertwine with daily life. And for Americans or people who are not from the Philippines, but who are still allies and friends of the Philippines, it's an experience and an amazing opportunity to get to see Filipino culture more up close. In order to avoid cultural shock and to slowly get our students to see different aspects of Filipino culture, we started in Manila, where we would really see Filipino culture maybe through a window when we're passing by on our vans. So to start at that, diba? Then here in Dumaguete, we're seeing more of the culture up close. We're here in the boulevard, we get to walk around and see it up close. But we're not really living in the culture of the Philippines. But we're planning in the third leg, where we're really experiencing it up close with Ati-Atihan in Calibo. So we were really intentional with how we wanted the cultural experience.